So these are the answers of 9 number and 10 number. I'm
Pratik
saying
sir, my 10 number 30 by 15.
it should be 55 minus 15. No? 55 minus 15.
Then 50 by minus 25.
15 हुन्थ्यो नि 3 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने हो यहाँ त्यहाँ 5 ले हैन नि यहाँ 3 ले तल र माथि 3 ले रेन्ज नि यहाँ
Oh.
15 बनाउन लाग्यो नि त ओके so series is not replying. Series, you are absent, and I am. These are the answers. 3 by 5 is also 21 by 35 because you can multiply by 7 here and you get that. Series is sending me a feeling sick, so I can. If you're feeling sick, you have. Jasmine, you say something. Kusi, please tell me the answer of 11 number. Kusi. Answer of 11 number, Kusi.
Sir,
Yes, Jasmine.
in 3 number yesterday you have done like this. You have multiplied by 2.
Yes.
It's correct. Then you have done here 6 by 1. No, yesterday.
Yeah, 1 by 6.
1 by 6. But here is 5 by 6. No.
So 5 by 6 minus 4 by 6 is 1 by 6. Here there will be 4, no? 2 multiplied 2, 4. I have to multiply 2 both side. In both denominator and numerator, you will get 6 down and up, you will get 4. 4 by 6. 5 minus. You have to multiply 2 in numerator also, Jasmine. Denominator ma matra haina ta. And then in numerator it will be 4. Now 5 minus 4 is 1. And 6 talago 6 is 6. So I have skip a step. मैले एउटा step यहाँ देखाएन, but this is the answer. Jasmine, is that okay?
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Khushi, what are you doing? 11 number. Khushi will also be absent or what? Khushi, 11 number. Khushi, series, I'm going to remove you now. Hey, if you don't reply, मेरो class में छैन जस्तो भयो नि त्यो त. Okay, series, you are removed. Khushi, you are also removed. You have said you are sick, but you are not replying. So if you are sick and you're not in.
Sir,
Yes.
can I go to toilet?
Yes, go to toilet. Khushi, you are removed.
Good afternoon, sir.
Ellen, 11 numbers answer. Okay, Jasmine, 12 numbers answer. 12.
I am here, sir. 11
Yes.
number, right?
Yes.
11 number. 11 number. 5 by 8.
5 by 8. Any problem with anyone? Is there any problem with Ellen's answer? Ellen says 5 by 8.
Sir, मैले भनेको मिल्छ क्या?
Okay, that's what I'm saying. Is that okay with everyone? JJ's, any problem? Okay, I'm not getting anything. Akash, Sasbi, Merisha, Apeksha. Merisha hasn't done. Safalta, Kanchan.
I have only done up to 10 number.
Do it now then. What are you doing, Akash? Are you doing?
What, sir? Why you?
I'm doing.
Safalta, is this correct answer?
Sir?
11 number answer, is it correct? Did you complete your answer?
You have 11.
I am
Mine one
sorry.
is 20 by 32.
20 by 32 is also same. If you
Mine one
multiply
is
by
20
four.
by 32.
So that is why I say take LCM. Safalta, if you take LCM, you can change both of this number into 8. You पहिलेदेखि 8 छ यहाँ पनि 2 ले multiply मात्र गर्दै पुग्थ्यो सफलता, but you have multiplied by 4 and multiplied by 8, which is also okay, but that is unnecessarily long process. You will get 32 by.
Sir, may I go to toilet?
Go to toilet, Akash. So you will get, what did you say, 20 by 32, which is also correct. If you multiply here 4 and 4, you will get 20 by 32. That is same thing, equivalent fraction of 5 by 8.
5 and 5 by 8.
Yes, Ellen, your answer is
Sir, I go bring water, right? Don't give me minus.
okay. JJ's 12 number. No, Jasmine 12 number, sorry. JJ's, I'll ask you 13. Jasmine 12 number. Jasmine, are you here?
Sir, may I?
Wait. Jasmine will answer. Yes, Jasmine.
May I say?
Wait, Jasmine is saying. Jasmine, say the answer of 12 number. Jasmine, I can listen now. I think if you speak, I can listen.
I am not down. Okay, I'm doing.
Okay. You're doing now. Okay, Jasmine, Merisha, and Akash, they are doing now. So JJ's 12 number answer.
5 by 12.
5 by 12. So 12. 5 by 12, seriously, what did you do? You multiplied by 2 minus, you multiplied by 6 here, 8 minus. So it will be 2 by 12, JJ's. This will be 4, 8, and this will be 4.
Sir, but my answer
Not
1
4,
by 6.
6. So, JJ's,
My
your
answer
answer
is 1
should
by
be,
6.
JJ's, your answer should be 2 by 12 or 1 by 6. 2 by 12 and 1 by 6 is same thing. Because if you multiply by,
Yes, sir. 1 by 6.
1 by 6. 1 by 6 and 2 by 12 are same thing, JJ's, but it should not be 5 by 12 because this should be multiplied by, if you do by 2, multiply this by 2 here and 2 here. And again, I suggest many people are not taking LCM. LCM Linus. LCM is important. You take LCM. अहिलेको सजिलो हुन्छ, but if you don't take LCM, there will be some.
Sir, I never used to take LCM, but my answer are correct.
Still take LCM, everyone. Take LCM. I suggest take LCM because these days your answers are very easy ones. You know, small 1-digit number. If there are 2-digit, 3-digit number, LCM will help you a lot. LCM ले धेरै help गर्छ. So when the numbers are big, so make a habit of taking LCM. So JJ's, do you find a mistake?
Sir, my अर्कै नम्बर भनेछु.
Oh, okay. What is your 12 numbers answer?
2 by 12.
2 by 12. Okay, that is okay. 1 by 6, 2 by 12. That's same thing. And you can just multiply by 3 here, right? JJ's, you 11 is 6 बनाउन मिल्छ. तपाईले LCM लिनु भएको भए दुवै नम्बरलाई 6 बनाउन मिल्थ्यो. You don't need to make it 12, but it's okay. 13 number, Apeksha, 13 number. Apeksha,
Sir,
13 number.
81 by 24.
How much?
81 by 24.
81 by 24.
81 by 20.
Did you subtract? Or, I think you did addition. Apeksha, this is a minus. You will get 72 minus 9, not 72 plus 9. Apeksha, did you find a mistake, Apeksha? Apeksha?
63 by 24.
Yes, 63 by 24 is the correct answer. Eh? This is subtraction. 63 by 24 is the correct answer.
Sir, my one 57 by 24 came.
63 by 24 is correct. If you see, what will happen is you'll multiply by 8 here, right? Yeah, 8 le multiply huncha.
Yes.
And
Sir, I have done same.
and 72 huncha tyo. Mathiko 72 huncha. And here you will multiply by 3. So 72 minus
72 subtracting that 15, no?
9.
Oh, no, 9. Yeah. Mera buddhi.
So this will be,
You
this can also be
also
written as
subtract me.
21 by 8 pani lekhna milcha hai. If you multiply both by 3, you will get 63 by 24. So 21 by 8 is also correct. This is also correct. That is also correct. If this is equivalent fraction, you multiply by 3 up and down here, you'll get 63 by 24.
Sir, बतियाको थियो.
Okay, Kavya, I was about to explain, you went, and we have reached up to 13 number now. Kavya, have you finished your work? What is the status of your work? You finished? Which number? Up to which number have you done, Kavya? You don't know? Otherwise, I'm going to ask you 14 numbers answer. So, Kavya, I will give you a video, right? I'll send you a video in group and you watch that video. If you have problem with why we take LCM and how we take LCM and how we make the denominator same, that video should help you. And because I've already gone to this length, I will, if I have time today, I will also explain how to take LCM and how to do it. But if you don't have time, I'll send you the video. Okay, Kavya? So please try to do it. It's not that difficult. Only thing that you do is you take the LCM of denominators and make it, so make this denominator same. That is what we are doing. Changing unlike fraction into like fraction, Kavya. So if you can do that, whatever you have done yesterday was also correct, Kavya, but I just thought it was a long process because you did not do LCM. Okay, so 14 number, I would like to ask Aditya. Aditya, 14 number, what answer did you get?
Wait a second.
And 15 and 16, I would like to be done by Marisa and Jasmine. Right? For 15 and 16, I'm waiting. Marisa and Jasmine, whatever you're doing, do 15 and 16 first.
You said 12, no?
No, 15, 16 now. 12 already
Or
done.
5 by 12.
5 by 12. Okay, so I'll have to check.
We'll do 15 and we'll do 16. Say that, no pause.
Okay, Jasmine, you do 15 and Marisa, you do 16. 15, Jasmine, Marisa, 16. Okay, 14 number. So 12. Is there any problem with 14 numbers answer? Anyone has problem with 14 numbers answer? Aditya gave me 5 by 12. This is a 9 minus 4 is 5. Yes. Is there any problem? Is there anyone in my class? Am I talking alone? No.
Yes, sir.
Is there any problem with this? No. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay.
We
Now
don't have-
everyone do your work. I will try
What
to.
is the answer?
I will try to explain.
Yes, it is on.
11 number or maybe not 11. I will explain 11 number to Kavya, how we do 11 number, right? So Kavya, look here. So like I have said yesterday, यहाँ denominator different छ है. यहाँ एउटामा 4 छ, एउटामा 8 छ. अब केही पनि गर्न मिल्दैन. We have to make this denominator same. अब denominator same बनाउनलाई what do? We take LCM. Somebody is calling me. I cannot accept your call now.
Sir, who called you?
Okay, Osa sister. Okay, so what am I going to do? Yes. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. Kavya, I have to make 8 and 4 same, right? So I have to somehow get 8 and 4 को लागि एउटै नम्बर ल्याउनु छ. So कुन नम्बर ल्याउन मिल्छ भनेर हेर्ने चाहिँ हामीले LCM लियो के. अब 8 र 4 लाई के बनाउने त? LCM will tell us. And Kavya, do you know how to take LCM? तपाईले LCM पहिला लिनु भएको थियो? Do you know how to do it? Kavya, where are you? Do you know how to take?
LCM के अरे त्यो LCM एन्सर आइसकेपछि चाहिँ त्यो पछि चाहिँ आउँदैन के गर्ने.
ए एन्सर आइसकेपछि चाहिँ आउँदैन. You know how to make like terms. अनि एन्सर आइसकेपछि that is the answer. If you want to change the answer, त्यसपछि के गर्ने भने okay, I get it now. Let's say तपाईको एन्सर चाहिँ हैन 5 by 8 आएन रे.
LCM
20 by 32.
LCM गरेपछि एन्सर
LCM गरिसकेपछि के गर्ने? काव्य
एलसीएम गर्यो अनि एन्सर निक्ल्यो होइन अनि त्यो के गर्ने थाहा छैन के
ए सबट्र्याक्सन पनि भयो भन्नुको मतलब यु हेभ अलरेडी डन
होइन भने
सबट्र्याक्सन पनि गर्नु भइसक्यो भनेपछि
होइन
एलसीएम को चाहिँ एन्सर
एलसीएम
आयो
लियो एन्सर
ओके सो द्याट इज द डिफिकल्टी एलसीएम को चाहिँ एन्सर आयो अलराइट नाउ आई गेट यु ओके है त त्यसबे आई विल जस्ट सो यु के गर्ने
सर मेरो 1/14 आयो 15 नम्बरको
Okay, very good, Jasmine. 1/14. I'll come back to that. Let me finish this deal with Kavya. So, यसको आन्सर चाहिँ 8 आउँछ.
अरूहरुको मिल्दैन
8 आउँछ राइट काव्य? यसको आन्सर 8 आयो. एलसीएम लिए मैले 8 आयो. तपाईलाई यहाँसम्म आउँछ राइट? अब यसको मिनिङ के हो भने मैले यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर सेम बनाउँदाखेरि यो दुवै नम्बरलाई चाहिँ 8 बनाउन मिल्छ. So that is what we understand from this काव्य. अब हामीले यो सेम नम्बर बनाउँदाखेरि तल डिनोमिनेटरमा चाहिँ 8 बनाउने हो भनेर थाहा भयो के? 8 चाहिँ हाम्रो सबभन्दा सजिलो अप्सन हो. Is that okay, Kavya? Okay, I hope it's okay. I cannot see you right now, so यहाँ 8 पहिलेदेखि छ, यहाँ 6 छ, यहाँ 4 छ, right? So let's take it like this. अब हामीलाई थाहा भयो एलसीएम 8 आयो भनेपछि हामी तल 8 लेख्छौं. दुवैको लागि तल 8 लेख्छौं. That is clear. अब तल 8 आयो हैन? अब यो 17 माथि लेखौं. यहाँ माइनस बिचमा राखौं. यहाँ 6 लेखौं. अब यो 8 लाई यो माथिको नम्बरले डिवाइड गर्नुस्. 8 ले 8 लाई डिवाइड गर्दा कति आउँछ? 1 आउँछ राइट? सो राइट 1 हियर. यसको मिनिङ के हो भन्दाखेरि यसलाई 8 बनाउनलाई यहाँ पनि 1 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्नुपर्छ, यहाँ पनि 1 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्नुपर्छ. बट दैट वी आर नॉट शोइङ. सो काव्य यो बुझ्नु भयो? प्लिज स्पीक विथ मी. आई कैन नॉट सी यू काव्य राइट नाउ, सो प्लिज रिप्लाई इन वर्ड्स. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड अप टू हियर? काव्य?
नो
You didn't understand this?
नो
Okay, that's good. That's good. See, I need to know that. So what you मैले के गरे भने अहिलेसम्म I took LCM, मैले LCM लिए. अब मलाई थाहा भयो कि यो दुवै नम्बरको ठाउँमा मैले 8 बनाउने हो. 8 र 4 को LCM लिए, 8 आयो. अब मलाई के थाहा भयो भन्दाखेरि यो दुवै नम्बरको ठाउँमा 8 बनाउने हो. त्यसैले मैले एउटा 8 डिनोमिनेटरमा हाल्दिए के. यो दुवैको ठाउँमा 8 हो भनेर एउटा यत्रो लामो लाइन ताने अनि तल चाहिँ 8 हो भनेर हाल्दिए. इज दैट ओके काव्य? यहाँसम्म बुझ्नुभयो? ओके, एलसीएम लाई मैले यहाँ तल हाल्दिए किनभने यो दुवै नम्बर अब 8 बन्छ. अब 17 लाई चाहिँ कतिले मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु पर्यो भन्दाखेरि 8 ले यो यसको यहाँको डिनोमिनेटरले हाम्रो एलसीएम लाई डिवाइड गर्ने के. हाम्रो यहाँको डिनोमिनेटरले एलसीएम लाई डिवाइड गर्दा कति आउँछ काव्य? काव्य यो 8 डिवाइड गर्दा कति आउँछ? 8 डिवाइडिङ 8 will give you
17 लाई
हैन 8 ले 8 लाई डिवाइड गर्ने. यो 8 ले यो माथिको 8 ले यो तलको 8 डिनोमिनेटरले हाम्रो एलसीएम लाई डिवाइड गर्ने के. यो त एलसीएम बाट आको भयो, यो त यताको डिनोमिनेटर भयो. यसले 8 लाई डिवाइड गर्दा कति?
8 मा 8 कति आउँछ के?
8 डिवाइड 8 हाउ मच?
कति चाहिँ 8 हो भनेर के? 8 कति चाहिँ 8?
हाउ मच डु यु गेट काव्य?
64
8
64
8 भयो नि काव्य, त्यो त डिवाइड भएन नि. 8 मल्टिप्लाई
8 कति? ओ
8 ले यसरी 8 लाई डिवाइड गर्ने के.
8
हिजो
into
त्यस्तो
कति
गरेको
चाहिँ 8 हो के?
हिजो त्यस्तो गरेको थिइनँ. तपाईले हिजोको बुझ्नु भएन अनि मैले अब फेरि अर्कै गर्न थाले.
हिजो के गर्नु न
हिजोकै गर्ने. that will be okay too.
Sir, give us that questions, no, to do.
Okay, yes. Okay, Kavya, now this is how we do है त. हिजो के सिकाउँछु है त म. अब यो दुवै नम्बरलाई 8 बनाउने थाहा भयो हैन काव्य? Just wrap it up in 2 minutes. दुवै नम्बरलाई 8 बनाउने हो नि त काव्य?
हामीलाई क्वेशन दिइराख्नु न.
त्यस भए यसलाई अब 1 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर, यसलाई मल्टिप्लाई नै नगर्ने भयो. यो जस्ताको जस्तै ठीक छ. यहाँ यो पहिलेदेखि 8 छ. Sorry, I'm just getting rusty now. Okay, so यहाँ पहिलेदेखि 8 छ. अब मलाई यहाँ 8 चाहियो राइट? मलाई यहाँ 8 चाहियो. यहाँ म 2 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्छु. यहाँ पनि माथि 2 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्छु. इज दैट ओके काव्य?
यस
किनभने मैले एलसीएम ल्याएको नम्बर डिनोमिनेटरमा बनाउँछु अनि यहाँ मात्र मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा यसलाई मात्र बढाउन पाउँदैन. मेरो पिसेसहरु बढ्यो भने मेरो जतिवटा पिस छ त्यो पनि बढ्छ. सो आइ एम गोइङ टु मल्टिप्लाई 2. यहाँ पनि मल्टिप्लाई गर्छु, यहाँ पनि मल्टिप्लाई गर्छु. इज दैट ओके काव्य?
यस
Okay, then this is 17 by 8 9 7 भयो अनि minus 12 by 8 भयो. Is it okay?
Yes.
Now you will get 5 by 8. 17 minus 12 कति हुन्छ? 5 by 8. Is it okay?
Yes.
You don't. So this is it, काव्य. यसरी गर्ने हो. LCM थाहा पाएर चाहिँ हामीलाई यहाँ कुन नम्बर बनाउने भन्ने थाहा हुन्छ क्या. अब पहिल्यैदेखि 8 छ भने you don't need to change, you don't need to do anything. Okay, Kavya, you can continue doing other numbers. If there is problem, ask me. I'll be glad to help you. Just okay. So now I'm coming back to you. Jasmine, what is the answer? I'm so sorry I took so long. I thought I'll finish that in a few minutes. Jasmine, I said
1 by 14.
1 by 14. Any problem with this answer? Anyone has a different answer? Let me know.
Nope.
Okay. Everyone has same answer, right? This will be 14 by multiplying by 2, you'll get 14 here. Multiplying by 2, you'll get 6 here. 7 minus 6, 1.
Sir, of which question?
15 number.
15 number.
1 by 14. Okay, next, Merisha. Merisha, what is that?
You the Saili.
What it is? Okay, Merisha, what is the answer of 16 number, Merisha? Merisha. Merisha, reply. If you're not there, I have to remove you. And you'll be considered absent, Merisha. What is the answer of 16 number, Merisha?
16.
Sir,
I
sir,
asked you to do 16 first.
4 number का आंसर
मैंने
के हो
सुनी
मेरो 4 by 9 आएको छ 4 number को.
Yes, that is correct, Jasmine. Merisha, भन्नुस्. भन्नुस्, Merisha.
मेरो त्यो 16 नम्बर पुग्न थोरै बाँकी छ भने.
पुग्न हैन, तपाई त्यही गर्नुस् न पहिला. मैले अघिदेखि झन् भनेको. 16 number first. Everyone is waiting for you. Merisha, मेरो पुरै क्लास तपाईलाई कुरेर बसेको छ. Do others later. Oh my god. So next time on, I'm just sending the video. I just always do this. I always say I won't repeat and I'll just repeat every time. So next time, please remind me, everyone. I don't want to repeat everything again and again. So much. Merisha, please let me know when you get the answer.
Wait, sir.
Okay. And others, those who haven't done, do it. And for other people, I will just bring on some more work. Right?
Yes. Yes. I was also just waiting for work.
मेन्सा यो क्लास सिक्देपछि मात्रै सिक्को है.
No, I didn't दिनु sir. Yan, मेरो पेन लिएर देऊ त. पेन. 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 त घरमै छ.
Mute, Ellen, mute. I don't, everyone does not need to listen to that.
I think I have unmuted. I have muted.
Sir, may I say answer of 16 number?
Sir, 2 by 14.
2 by?
14.
2 by 14. How did you make, say, 4 into 14? 4 like I said 14 बनाउनु. Hey, wait, you did some, okay, whatever, either. So, Merisha is saying 2 by 14. Everyone agrees? Any problem?
Sir, how?
I don't know. Merisha says that. तपाईले
No, I don't agree. 3 by 14 हैन.
4 like 14 बनाउनु
ए
Merisha.
होइन 4.
के गर्नुभयो खोइ? 21 minus 12
Wait,
equals
sir, म फेरि मिलाउँछु.
9 by 28.
Sir, I think 0 by 28.
0 आउँदैन. You don't get 0.
आउँदैन?
Here you
Yeah,
multiply by 7, you will get 21 here. Here you will multiply by 4, you get 12 here. So 21 minus 12 is 9. 9 by 28 also. And you cannot reduce this. 9 by 28 is the answer.
9 by 28 हो.
How did you get 2 by 14?
सर मिल्यो
9 by 28 is the answer.
सर मैले
मेरो फर्स्ट को क्वेशन पो मिस्टेक भएछ मैले 2-3 जति गरेको रहेछ फेरि एकचोटि काटेर गर्दा चाहिँ 9 बाइ
Nisha.
प्रतीक्षा
Yes.
9 बाइ 28
6 नंबर को 3 by 10 है
6 number ko.
सर मेरो यहाँ 9 नंबर देखि 11 नंबर चाहिँ मिलेन तर सबै मिल्यो अरु चाहिँ
Okay, okay. Just do the correction. अब मिलाउनु भयो नि हैन? If you have done the correction, mistakes are okay.
only 2 minutes left
Okay, I'm going to stop recording.